So Kim Porter, Diddy, Sean Combs, the model and actress, she was with him for 13 years. They have children together. She was found dead today from cardiac arrest, is what I'm hearing.
Agent 76, Rescue 82, cardiac arrest. Agent 76, you're going to get EMS 14. EMS 14, respond with Agent 76 on scene of the cardiac arrest.
So a source connected to Kim tells us she had been suffering from flu-like symptoms, possibly pneumonia, for several weeks. It's still unclear what exactly caused her death. Another source says Kim had contacted her doctor just yesterday, complaining she wasn't feeling any better. Diddy and Kim's relationship spanned more than a decade, with several breakups and makeups. They started dating in '94, and then for the last time in 2007. They have 3 children. Twins Jesse James and Delilah were born in 2006, and she had their son Christian in '98. She also had a son, Quincy Brown, from her previous relationship with Albie Shore. Absolutely terrible. 47 years old.